There's a madness happening out here. A madness. The DIY is out of control. We got engine oil, we have Sibbard, paint cans, styrofoam.
Go mom, go mom. Eridi xaabada lagaga soo guri lahaa.
Got it.
Open ma sameynaya, yes. Yes. MacGyver. Yeah, MacGyver, really.
What are we doing today, Mo?
Waxaan sameynaynaa weelka lagu beero dhirta iyo girgire kas laga sameeyay sibidh.
And a wood stove.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's get back to work. The Somaliland basket is here.
This is where all your tools are. I love it. I'm gonna add all my paintbrushes to this.
Yeah, I found it one for you. Look.
Yes.
Yes, you're ready.
Oh yeah, the DIY is on. Step 1, head to your local door. Berendadan wasaqaynayna maanta. This is the mold piece. And this is what breaks every time. 9 times out of 10 you buy one of those, broken. So, well, it's the Berdania. Step 3, your leftover bag of Sibbard from construction. Step 4, collect all your little shattered pieces of leftover tile, or break them up, or take bigger pieces of tile and just break them up with a hammer and cloth. Step 4, 5, 6, or 7, I don't know, but engine oil. So you have to line this with engine oil. Oh, Ida. Right.
Go mom, go mom. Vamos listo ya. This will be the halo gi dambas layerki dambas ka celinayo waan ku sameeyay. Halkana waa halkii qori hadhow laga guri lahaa. I'm preserving area xaabada laga soo guri lahaa.
Got it.
Open ma sameynaya, yes. MacGyver. Yeah, MacGyver, really.
Okay.
maanta tumaal lama
Change of plans, so the can didn't come out the way we expected. So we're just gonna use it anyways, incorporate it into our stove, wood stove.
Beenkisa.
Yes, of course. Gila gonna hide not tomorrow time. No problem. My gasta nagadamatay. Okay, so prime example of the situation at hand. Our gas has actually run out. We got to take it to the store to get refilled. But for now, since we made our stove top, we made like a little one like this. We'll just take this, put it on top. Somaliland situations. When you run out of gas, but you're conveniently building a firewood burner. Problem solved. I always like to include a little bit of reality living in Somaliland lifestyle in these videos. So that would be your typical scenario. Every so often you run out of gas and you got to trek to the city and go replace your gas tanker. Not a big issue, but when you're in the middle of a meal and that happens, not so convenient. We made this secondary wood stove mostly for our camping trips when we go out on road trips or even at our farm where we don't exactly have electricity, gas, accessibility. So it's just a portable wood stove for us to use. But in situations like this, it doubles as a backup system when you run out of gas in the middle of your meal. But anyways, back to the fun stuff. Our decorative DIY cement pots.